I'm 13, and this is coding, specifically graphic design. I learned how to make things like posters and currently my logo. What I like about this class is it's teaching me to do something that I didn't know how to do.
My name is Michael. I'm 11 years old, and when I was doing all of my graphic designs, I was like the best in the class, crushing everything, doing everything that I can to make sure that I had a good opportunity to do this thing.
Hi, I'm Simone, 13 years old, and I do graphic design. And one of the things I like in graphic design is making cool art and photos and turning it into something amazing.
It's so fun to manipulate photos the way like you want it to be and not. I can't explain it, but it's just when you manipulate photos, it's like you can create what you want to create, and you don't have to copy off of somebody else's design. It's just what you want it to look like.
Before I came to this class, I didn't know nothing about the graphic design. And when I came into this class, I learned a couple things. I started getting the hang of it, and I started liking it, and just doing things with different stuff like the calves and the barn and everything, and cars. Just doing different pictures.
I really like this class because we got to do editing projects, and it was like how we could take something good and make it even better. And I really like that because I'm a very artistic person, so I really enjoyed that, and yeah.
Right now we're working on like this thing where we make our logo, and we have to put our initials, and like we're gonna put it on all of our work.
We got to be creative and just do whatever, and we had to try to mess with some skills on the computer that we didn't know how to do, that had to do with Photoshop.
It's fun, and I think you will like it.